OFW friends, happy Friday! Excuse my super duper makeup free face kasi alam niyo na kung saan ako galing. So I finally completed my first week of boxing hybrid. As you can see, I really had so much fun. So it's quite addictive, the feeling of pain. Not true, but I like it. So we'll see how it goes on my next session. So today, I'm totally makeup free again, like I'm telling you, because I will be unboxing the Althea makeup box. So you've probably seen other bloggers opening this box, but me naman, I will show you some of the swatches and I'll probably use some kasi legitly ngarag ang face ko. So are you ready? So Althea actually came up with their own makeup products and ang cute ng stickers, no? So I got this because I am an Althea angel. I am an angel. So I'll show you the boxes because I already unboxed them all para easier kasi ang hirap mag-open ng box lalo na pag super limited time. So they included this Eve palette called Sunrise and Moonrise. So it's BCL by Althea. So this is super cute. And this is how the packaging looks like. And when you open it, guys, very Christmassy ang shade. Very Chinese New Year. I'll try to grab some of this gold. Alam mo, medyo ma-creamy siya. Parang powder creamy texture. Well, it's really powder, but it feels creamy. And sige na nga. Toho, pigmentation is really good. I'm not rubbing hard kasi ayoko masira. But guys, maganda. Diba nakaka-uplift siya yung color. How about this other shade naman? I'll show you. May gold flecks siya. Nice! So, this palette is promising. They have a couple of matte shades. Well, just one matte. Ito yon. This matte shade is great to contour the eyelid. And then the rest naman medyo may pagka-shimmer and others are shiny talaga with glitters talaga. But loving it! Next! Next naman, they also have a spotlight eye glitter. Recently, I've been wanting to highlight my under eye area. So we'll get this. There's this parang pearl white and this naman may pagka-pinkish. Let's try the pinkish one and then I'll apply. So offline, I applied this one na medyo pinkish here on the under eye area, as you can see. You really can't tell because I'm oily all the way, but you get the drift. And they also have 4 different shades of creamy concealer. Sobrang happy with concealer. You all know I love concealer. And I'll pick one. One is called Honey. Yung medyo madark kayo. Isa mocha. So I'll go for Honey. Open one. And we'll use one right now sa under eye. Perfect. Nawala akong makeup today. And then, I don't have any tools, but I'll just use the finger. Creamy nga siya, guys. And very promising pigmentation. My under eye has been highlighted. Thank you. Next. Nice! Nice, guys. Sobrang nice. Winner. Can you see the difference na? Ayan, medyo better. I'll do one offline para naman magmukha akong maayos. So, both eyes done. I look better and much wide awake. And ito naman yung pimple ko na na-prick yesterday at the facial care center. So, I'll try to cover it up. Same shade to see if it really covers. And it does. Very good. Happy. Sobrang swak sa akin yung concealer. Love it. Next, they also have lip products. So there's 4 shades that I got. I'll try one right now. This is in shade, it's called Watercolor Cream Thin. And this one is in shade, hindi ko makita. Sobrang liit. Sorry, guys. I'll just type it down there. But we'll see the texture. So, it's really watery thin nga siya. Ayan, no? On lips. Nag-ingay yung lips ko. It has this tutti fruity scent. Very watery. And nafe-feel ko na nagtatighten na yung lips ko. That means, if you have dry lips like I do, you feel that you'll have that sensation. But, nag-stop yung feeling. And now, it's hugging my lips. I can feel it. But it doesn't look like it's dry, right? Not bad. Okay, so far, yeah, these are the makeup products that Althea managed to make and also to collaborate with other brands. Creamy concealer, super thumbs up. This one, yung tightening feeling, kanina lang. Now it's totally gone. It's super comfortable now. Can't wait to try other shades. And also can't wait to create a look with this eyeshadow. Sobrang happy with all these products. Ito namang glitter. I don't think everybody needs it. But if you like a bit of highlighting, medyo nawala siya nag-concealer ako, but it's still a bit there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching and happy Friday. Medyo naglipat. Konti lang. Bye!